Est-ce que les bateaux ont toujours été modernes? Non? À quoi servent les bateaux quand on vit sur une île?
So the West Indies Regatta is now in its 9th year, and we began this event to try and reconnect the islands with traditional sail. There was a special time in the West Indies where all our islands were connected, much more than they are now. And we felt that by bringing all the old boats to St Barth once a year, that we could try and show people how it used to be, remind the older people in St Barth a little about the good old times, and also show the young kids what their grandparents used to do. So we bring the boats that were all built in Caraïbe. This is called Genesis, and she was kind of the beginning of a resurgence, a new interest for these boats. And we have now 6 of them in Antigua, and the rest is spread out around the Caribbean. And we like to bring them here once a year to connect all together. So we bring music, we have a few drinks, we bring our friends, we bring our families, and basically all get together and reconnect ourselves. So that's pretty much the background of the West Indies Regatta. And we're just very, very fortunate to have St Barth welcome us in this way, because it's such a huge part of our general Caribbean history. So we're very, very happy to be here.
Good enough.